guys, welcome to my crazy life. It's Lori and I have a big old thrift haul to show you today. I went to the bins outlet, not Crazy Bins, which is Amazon returns, but Goodwill bins, their outlet. It's like a clearinghouse. I've showed a video before if you're not aware, but coffee. I hadn't been in a while. And I hit the jackpot of crafting paradise. It was great. So let's get into it. I got a bunch of clothes too. So we'll show you, not a bunch. I got some clothes. I grabbed a pair of navy blue corduroys from the Loft. These are a size 8. 8 or 10. They're a 30-10. I don't know what that means. I think it's an 8 or 10 or 12. I don't know. They fit me. How about that? And they're just a corduroy. So we like that a lot, especially for winter. And then I found these for summer or whenever. They're the Jeans brand. These are a size 8. I love the button detail on the side. The straight leg, they're a crop, but they would look cute with boots. So these fit well. Everything has been washed and laundered and tried on. Oh, I found this. I just thought it was cute. Just a sham. They had a couple of them, but they didn't have any that matched. So I got that. And then I picked up this Cleveland Browns t-shirt. And this is a Gildan brand, size large. Thought that was super cute, nice quality. Probably been washed once, if I had to guess. No wear on it whatsoever, just my hair. Then, I'll tell you how much I spent on all of the fabric stuff in a second, because I found fabric. Crazy amounts of fabric. I think a lot of it's from Joann, but some is not. So I got this little fat quarter bundle. I don't know what this fabric is, like brand-wise, but you got some, and it all coordinates together. So it'll stick together, but I don't know where it's from. It could be from Joann. I don't know. It's cotton. It's just quilter's cotton, but I'll make something out of that. I got this fat quarter, which could be from Walmart, could be from Joann, could be from the Dollar Tree, question mark, but I liked it. And so all of this stuff is paid for by the pound. A little square of some Disney fabric, and then a ton of this batik. I won't show you each individual piece of fabric because that would take a super long time, but I will show you. I'm trying to grab it all up here. All right, this stack here is all about a half a yard each. I definitely know this is Moda fabric, which is a nice quilting fabric. Some of it's from Joann, and some I just don't know. This one here I thought was super cute. It's Beauty and the Beast 2-set. Like, this is from that collection. I know that's Joann. And these are from Joann as well, but I just loved the birds on the blue, and then this cream, and I'll make something coordinating. And then all of these are just pieces and parts. So I grabbed all this fabric, right? All of this. The 2 pair of pants, the shirt, and the sham for $10.19. I know, $10 for all of that. Super excited. Then I found, and this still had the tag on it. If you're a quilter or a sewist or a crafter, you know what this is. It is, and I think this is a vintage one, because I don't ever remember seeing this color, but it is a self-healing cutting mat for rotary cutters when you cut your fabric. And this one is an 18 by 24 inch. And they're fantastic. I already have one, but I'm going to put this downstairs in my other craft space. I love those for table protection. That was 99 cents. I know for a pretty fact that they were $40. Now, they often were on half price sale at Joann, but 99 cents was a good deal. So that was 99 cents. The rest of this stuff cost $22.68. So if you know anything of Food Savers, this is the Food Saver brand of rolls. You cut these into the size that you want and you Food Saver them and they suck the air out. This is about $50 worth of Food Saver rolls that I grabbed. I never pay full price for these. What is that? I hope that's just dust. Yes. Ooh, scared me for a second. I never pay full price for these because I am always seeing them at the bins for cheap. I won't buy any for a very long time. But they're all different sizes of bags. And they're pretty much like full rolls. So that's exciting. So I have plenty of that now because, you know, in this economy, we've got to preserve our food. And, oh, then I found, I'm pretty sure these were made by somebody out of some type of vintage fabric. And I only say that because, well, maybe, I don't know. I don't know if they took like a table runner and turned it into placemats, because this seam looks commercial, but this seam is definitely hand sewn. So they've taken this fabric and something. Whatever they did, I am in love with it. And I got 2 of them for Christmas. And I love vintage Christmas. I don't know if this is truly vintage or just printed because there's no tag or anything on the fabric. It doesn't matter to me one way or the other. I like it. It'll get used. I'll wash them, iron them, and there was no staining or anything on them, which is fantastic. So I grabbed those. Then I found this kit. It is Winter Flower. It's an embroidery kit. And I don't know. Craft Crush is the brand. It's a complete kit. In here. So here's something fun. I'll tell you at the end what I'm doing with kits. So I grabbed that. I picked up, some fun nails. I'm assuming these are like cheap, but I don't care. They're Christmas. They're pink and they have reindeer on them. And I love some fake nails. So, they're press-on, I think. Yeah, press-on nails. So that should mean that they have the sticky. Bibbsy. 6 easy steps to put those on. So I grabbed those just for fun for next Christmas. I found these, which I love. These are going to be for my craft shows to display my ornaments. And I just thought that was super fun. Like that little bit of detail. So that's craft show. I love finding unused, brand new dishcloths. It's got the scrubby here. Like that is scrubby. You get clean 3 ways, deep scrub, wet wipe, gentle scrub. It's cotton. I don't know, it's a dishcloth with a scrubby. So I grabbed that for housework. For a display piece, I grabbed this. It is a ornament hanger. I have one with a ornament that I made out of ceramics, but I thought this would be fun for a display to hang maybe a fun ornament that I'm going to sell. I don't know. It'll be for a display. I found this willow. It's a willow tree. I will tell you I'm going to laugh because what I do with them for Halloween is I paint them like a witch's coven. I do. It's fun. I love it. So I've been collecting when I see them. The one I have was it broke, so I need to remake her. And I put, like, with clay, air dry clay, little witches hats on them. It's just a fun little thing. I don't, you know, I only find them if I thrift them. I'm not sure what's happening with this, but it was like I needed to have it. I found somebody's dollhouse kit, and this was $10 regular price, but it's a fireplace insert. I want to make something Christmas decoration out of this. I don't know. Or put it like as a mouse door somewhere. I don't know. Something fun is going to happen with this. I'm going to paint it. I think it would be hysterical to put it like on the wall somewhere by my, like over here by my fireplace, and put a little mouse coming out. I don't know. I just think that would be so cute. And it was super cheap, so I just grabbed that for fun. I found this. I'll pass it off, but I couldn't let it go to the landfill. It is coloring pages, cars with markers. I don't know what year it came out. It's completely sealed. And you get 80 mini coloring pages and 6 markers. It could also go with my blind date with a book for the littles. So whatever it is, it came completely packaged up. So I thought that was fun find. For my market, I got this to hold signs like kits. The big one standing up can stand in these. And this is fantastic. So I have that. And it was cheap. Same as this. I got this big wooden display. I figured I can sand it on its side and put signs and things in it and just get some height to everything. It definitely needs dusted. Dong May Craft Weaving Factory. I have no idea. It's from 2012. That's all I can tell you for that. So that is craft display. It will need cleaned up. I'm okay with that. With anything that needs cleaned up, I'm putting everything together. Now, the last thing I found, which made me super excited as well, is not that. I found some vintage craft stuff. So I think what I'm going to do is put this on my Etsy shop. I will let you know when this is ready. It's not ready yet. But anything like kits that I find or patterns or any of that will go here. And all of this stuff costs $22.68 for the not fabric and not cutting mat. So per pound, all the stuff I just showed you was $22.68. So I spent $36.40. I will also make a separate video of everything I'm loading to my Etsy. But these are vintage from the 80s quilt block patterns. And they're all unused. So I will just quickly go through what I have. I don't know what I have, to be fair, because I'm not a quilter. But I love some vintage, and I just want to save this stuff from being thrown in the trash. And then we have this one. These blocks. So everything will go up individual. I had also thrifted this a while ago, not on my latest trip, but this is also a craft kit vintage, and it has all the parts and pieces. So all of these are going to end up on my Etsy store as a rescue. And then the last but not least, I found this. This is from 1995. It is Busilla brand. They make craft kits. It's cross stitch. And you have all the supplies to make 6 ornaments. And everything is in here. It is completely sealed. All of this was $36, guys. I had a fantastic time. So that is everything I got this time at the thrift store. Keep an eye out if you have any interest or any information on this stuff, and you can tell me where to start looking. But I am going to start putting these things in my Etsy store. The link is always down below, but right now it's just my cross-stitch planner that's on there, I think. Yeah. So, but I'm going to start listing vintage kits, vintage maybe fabrics, anything I rescue from the thrift store. I'm going to load up on my Etsy shop and get it out to the public who will use it. Because why throw it away? It's wonderful. All right, guys, that's everything. If you enjoyed, thumbs up, like, subscribe, and I will talk with you soon. Have a good one. Bye.